let's see how to remove the markup area in Microsoft Word. So first, you want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. So what is the markup area? The markup area refers to this space right here that shows all the comments in your document. So normally, while this would be helpful, it's certainly not nice to look at, especially when you're working with a document that has a lot of comments. So to edit this part, simply head over to the Review tab and click on this option right here, which will open a drop down. Click on No Markup, and that should hide all of those comments in your document. To simply show them, to show them again, rather, simply click on the drop down list again and click on All Markup. And that is how you hide or show your markups in Microsoft Word. See you soon!